Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a Commodore SV6 Storm Sportswagon. Black beast with a rearranged front nose. Taking the tap, it's got a good tailgate. It's a left-hand door, the right front door. One or two of the mags have survived. We'll start the engine up. Just go back and we'll get the compliance plate here for you. It's got leather trim in there. Airbags have gone off in the dash. Black SV6 trim. There's your compliance plate there where we are. It's 290515. Sat nav in there too. LFX engine. 3.6. I think it's about 164,000 Ks on it. If you can get that one. Anyway. Let's jump around here and I'll start it up for you. Right rear door's got a bit of a kink there. Sad. Where are we? Wow, 156741. There you go. Even better. Start it up. Won't be able to run it for too long, but it does run. Run a bit rough. It's got the air intake off, so. Sat nav there. There we are. That's us in there somewhere. Stitching's come apart there. In the back. There we go. One VF Sportswagon for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. So if you need any VF Commodore parts or any other car parts for that matter, give us a call on that number there, 02 4646 1733, and the Parts Plus team will help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.